Welcome back to another No Ads presentation courtesy of your TotalOS supporters. Thank you. Shotcut, one of the best open source video editors. There is a new version for this month, and I have to tell you, this is probably my second favorite next to Kdenlive for video rendering. I use Kdenlive primarily for older machines, but this one has always been quite stable and quite handy for both Linux, Mac, and Windows. Check out the latest Shotcut. Probably the biggest Linux news of the year has to be Google's announcements of 10 years support for Chromebooks and Chromebooks Plus. This is the CX34 from Asus. This one got my attention because it says military-grade durability. I don't think I've seen that before, and I'm not sure what that means. If you guys have something like this, let me know. This is currently on sale on Amazon. So this has a 14-inch display, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, Chrome OS White, and of course 10 years of support, which is the best out there, including better than Macs, according to what you guys say. So check out the Asus Chromebooks Plus CX34 below in the show notes. Linus Torvalds, considered the father of Linux, spoke on the state of Linux and the future of AI. This is from the Open Source Summit in Japan. I will not read all of this, but he did say he hopes that AI will help fix future stupid Linux bugs. This is his statement, not mine. I love this guy. Years ago when the GNOME 3 was released, he called GNOME an unholy mess. Okay, let's move on. Well, here we go again. Another Linux-based system cloning somehow, some way, not sure why, cloning Windows, in this case Windows 11. This is called Wubuntu. I thought I heard this on the Flintstones. Boo 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 boo, ba 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 boo, Fred. It's let's just take a look at this. Compatible with Windows applications. Run your favorite exe applications with the improved Y compatibility layer. Good luck with that. It has never worked for me. Microsoft ecosystem. Enjoy embedded apps like Microsoft Edge, Teams, Skype. Safe and very fast. I'm sure it's safe. It's based on, I believe, Linux, the KDE Plasma. But look, I've proven multiple times that you can install Windows 11 on a 12-year-old machine that runs faster than some Linux systems. So this, I'm not sure what's the reason for this. I've always said that if you have to use Windows for whatever reason, then just use Windows. Use what works. All right, so it is using KDE Plasma technology, and we have a Windows Ubuntu 11 Cinnamon edition. I'm so confused. Desktop Cinnamon is fast, very fast. That is not true. It runs slower than, say, the Mate desktop or the XFCE desktop. I found Windows 11 to run a little faster than Cinnamon in my tests in older machines. I need to say that. Power Toys Control Tools. If you guys are curious for this, Android support and so on. If you guys are curious, why not check it out? But if you're going to install this expecting this to be faster than the Windows 11, it probably won't, since this is based off Ubuntu, and I've already proven that. And finally, I talked about this yesterday. One of the best, my top 3 lists for the best Linux-based operating systems, right up there with Chrome OS. A sneak peek at Zorin OS number 17. Definitely check this out. A beautiful desktop operating system. All right, that's all I have for this. If you have any other Linux news you want to share or tests that you have done yourself. Now, when I mean tests, I mean full installs. Not off a USB stick, no virtual machines, none of that. If you have done full Linux tests and would like to share your thoughts in the comments, please do. Thank you to all of these supporters for the channel for this month that helped create these no ads presentations. Happy holidays. Be safe out there. Arrivederci.